Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the Auger drive motor on your refrigerator. And it's a really easy job. All we're going to need is a 1/4-inch nut driver or a 1/4-inch socket and ratchet. Let me show you how we do it. Now before we begin this repair, the first thing we're going to need to do is to turn the refrigerator off. So open the fresh food door and locate the thermostat control, or as in this model, we have an on-off switch. And just turn the refrigerator off. Then next we're going to open up the freezer door and just prop that wide open. Then we'll next remove this shelf right below the housing. Now to give ourselves a little more access to remove those screws, we'll remove this bottom shelf bracket. So we're just going to lift out on that locking tab and then slide it away. Do the same on the opposite side. And then we can remove the shelf bracket. Now there are 2 1/4-inch hex head screws that are located beneath this housing that hold a cover in place. So remove these 2 1/4-inch hex head screws that hold the access cover in place. Next we can remove the wire harness connector. So just grasp that, pull straight down on it, and tuck it out of the way. And next we're going to remove the 4 1/4-inch screws that are in the outermost corners, and that will allow us to drop the motor down. And support that motor as you remove the last screw. And remove the old Auger motor assembly and discard it. The drive shaft will probably fall down as well, so make sure that that doesn't come completely out. We'll take the new motor and then line up that drive shaft with the opening in the top of the motor and then push it up into place. Now as we push that motor up into that opening, you may meet some resistance. If it won't go up all the way flush, just turn the auger from above. And that should allow us to have it fully seated. And that should allow the auger motor to go up in all the way. And it should be about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch up past this outer edge. Now we're holding it in place. We'll install one of the screws just to hold it there. And then replace the remaining 3 screws. Now once we have all of the screws in place that hold that auger motor, we'll next reconnect the wire harness. And then we'll replace the access cover. And then we'll replace the shelf. Just release those locking tabs. Make sure it pushes in over the indentation on the door, and then it's locked in place. We can now close our freezer door. Next, we need to remember to turn the refrigerator back on. So just open the door, either turn the control or use the push button and turn the refrigerator back on, and our repair is complete. I told you it was an easy job. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your repair.